Hi, the project is product-based vendor shipping system for Dokkan WooCommerce. The client wanted a system where the vendor is saved at the product level and shipping charges are calculated based on the product's vendor, not globally. This ensures that each product controls its own shipping. Vendor specific shipping rules apply automatically. Shipping is accurate even when multiple vendor products are in the cart. So I have added the create product layout, or you can say design. So in the first step, product info, then second, add photos, then third step, add title and description, and fourth one is pricing, and fifth one is shipping. So I have giving option to vendor. He can create shipping and shipping value according to product, not globally. So vendor can uh, check this product requires shipping or not, and which type of shipping they want, like shipping or local pickup. Suppose if he check on local pickup, so in checkout, user can see local pickup. If they uncheck local pickup and save it, save the product, it's loading now, and save product, click on save product button. So it's saved, successfully saved. Then product on this uh, some user purchase this product, so he cannot see local pickup now because we uncheck this. I have to change something in here, then it will go on. Yeah. And what will be price for shipping? 700 is for globally, and he can save shipping price according to region, like if he wanted United States, and I add 1000, in China 2000, but in China he can offer shipping in free shipping. So suppose I select in country China, so it offer free shipping here, free shipping, because we check China offer free shipping. Suppose I have given option in Italy 8000. Suppose I am from Italy and I am purchasing this and I save Italy, then it will change to flat rate 8,000. So it's working like that. Suppose I will enable local pickup also for this product. So I have to save and save product. Product saved successfully. Then after in checkout as a user, when I select any other country, so it will show local pickup and flat rate 700 for globally. If I select United States, so United States with 1000 shipping and local pickup option also. So this I have customized in Dokan Bender. Thank you.